Hello there, and welcome to the Bedtime Lab, your cozy corner for calming curiosity, where we gently drift into the wonders of the universe. It's such a pleasure to have you here tonight as we embark on a serene journey through the tranquil beauty of space. Picture yourself floating in a sea of stars, gently swaying to the cosmic lullaby of the universe. Together, we'll uncover 100 sleepy facts about space, each one a tiny star in the vast sky of knowledge. As you settle in, perhaps under the soft glow of your own night sky, I have a small invitation for you. I would love to know where you are listening from tonight, whether you're nestled in a bustling city or tucked away in a quiet countryside. Share your corner of the world with us in the comments. It's always wonderful to see people from all corners of the globe coming together here to unwind and drift off peacefully, creating our own little community of stargazers. Now, let's take a moment to breathe deeply and imagine the vastness of space stretching out around us. In this space, time seems to slow down, allowing us to appreciate the magnificent tapestry woven by the stars and planets. The universe is a vast canvas, painted with swirling galaxies and shimmering nebulae, each telling its own story. Tonight, we'll explore these stories, one gentle fact at a time. Did you know that the universe began with a spectacular event known as the Big Bang? It's quite remarkable because this cosmic explosion, occurring around 13.8 billion years ago, marked the birth of everything we know. Imagine, in that one moment, the seeds of stars, planets, and galaxies were all sown, setting the stage for the wondrous universe we observe today. Speaking of which, let's drift into the birth of stars themselves. Stars are born from immense clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae. Picture these celestial nurseries as vast, colorful expanses where gravity pulls the materials together to ignite nuclear fusion. This process lights up the darkness, creating the radiant stars that shimmer in our night sky. Can you imagine witnessing the birth of a star, its light slowly flicker into life in the cosmic darkness? And did you know that our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe? Each galaxy contains millions, if not billions, of stars, each with its own story to tell. When you think about it, the sheer scale of the universe is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our home planet. Here's a fascinating fact. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, with a central bar of stars and swirling arms extending outward. Imagine tracing these arms as they spiral gracefully, each a pathway of stars twinkling like diamonds in the sky. It's quite a sight to behold in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Speaking of our cosmic neighborhood, the sun plays a pivotal role in nurturing life on Earth. This glowing sphere of hot plasma is not only the heart of our solar system, but also a comforting presence that governs the rhythms of life on our planet. Let me share something interesting. The sun's light takes about 8 minutes to travel the 93 million miles to reach us. This means when you watch a sunset, you are seeing light that began its journey across space several minutes earlier. Another gentle surprise awaits us in the form of solar flares, which are sudden eruptions of energy from the sun's surface. These magnificent bursts release a tremendous amount of energy, illuminating the skies with breathtaking auroras. Picture the vibrant curtains of color dancing across the night sky, a gentle reminder of the sun's dynamic nature. As we turn our gaze further outward, let's consider our closest cosmic neighbors, the planets of our solar system. Earth, our blue planet, is uniquely poised to support life thanks to its ideal distance from the sun and its rich atmosphere. You might think that Earth is the only planet with oceans, but actually, beneath its icy shell, Jupiter's moon Europa is believed to harbor an ocean of liquid water, making it a fascinating focus for those searching for extraterrestrial life. And here's something truly remarkable. Venus, though similar in size to Earth, is drastically different in many ways. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat, creating surface temperatures that soar to over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Can you imagine standing on the surface of such a fiery world, where the air itself would crush and bake you simultaneously? As we drift through space, let's not forget the serene majesty of the gas giants, like Jupiter. Its swirling clouds and the iconic Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. This colossal planet is not only the largest in our solar system, but also a hub of activity, with its many moons dancing in beautiful orbits around it. Now, let's glide softly into the vast reaches beyond our solar system. As we explore the whispering winds of interstellar space, we consider the Voyager probes, humanity's emissaries to the stars. These spacecraft, launched in the late 1970s, have journeyed far beyond our celestial backyard, carrying with them the sounds and sights of Earth, a message in a bottle to the cosmos. In this vast, silent expanse, we find the interstellar medium, a sparse collection of gas and dust that fills the space between stars. Though it seems empty, it is the birthplace of new stars and planets, a reminder of the continuous cycle of creation in the universe. Let me tell you something truly astonishing. The density of this medium is so low that it would take hundreds of thousands of years to gather enough material to fill a single teaspoon. As we gently close this first chapter of our cosmic journey, let the wonder of space envelop you in its tranquil embrace. Picture the stars twinkling softly above you, their light a gentle reminder of the universe's endless possibilities. Let's take a moment to breathe deeply, feeling the rhythm of the cosmos as we transition into deeper explorations in the chapters to come. May you find peace and serenity as you drift ever so peacefully through the night. Welcome back, dear listener, to our tranquil journey through the cosmos. As you settle into a comfortable space, let your imagination drift gently among the stars. Together we'll explore some of the earliest discoveries that have shaped our understanding of this vast, mysterious universe. Let me share something fascinating with you. Did you know that the concept of space as a vacuum, an empty void, was not always a common idea? In ancient times, many believed in a geocentric model, where Earth was at the center of the universe, with celestial bodies like the sun, moon, and stars revolving around it. This view was championed by the philosopher Claudius Ptolemy. It wasn't until the 16th century that Nicholas Copernicus proposed a heliocentric model, placing the sun at the center of our solar system. This revolutionary idea gradually opened the door to a new way of thinking about our place in the cosmos. This reminds me of another pivotal moment in the history of space exploration, the invention of the telescope. In the early 17th century, Galileo Galilei pointed his telescope towards the heavens, making groundbreaking observations that challenged long-held beliefs. He discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, showing that not everything in the universe revolved around Earth. Imagine the sense of wonder and discovery experienced during those early days of astronomical observation. And speaking of discoveries, did you know that the concept of gravity as we understand it today was first articulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the late 17th century? Newton's law of universal gravitation explained how every object in the universe is attracted to every other object by a force that depends on their masses and the distance between them. This laid the foundation for our understanding of planetary orbits and the mechanics of celestial bodies, weaving together the dance of planets in a beautiful cosmic ballet. Here's something truly fascinating. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, was once thought to be the entire universe. It wasn't until the early 20th century that astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is much larger than previously imagined. He identified other galaxies beyond the Milky Way, each a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust. Hubble's work revealed that the universe is expanding, a discovery that would later lead to the Big Bang theory. This brings us to another remarkable insight. The Big Bang theory suggests that the universe began as a singularity around 13.8 billion years ago. This theory is supported by the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow of light that permeates the universe, considered the afterglow of the Big Bang. Imagine standing at the threshold of time, peering back into the infancy of the cosmos through this ancient light. Did you know that Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, proposed in 1915, revolutionized our understanding of gravity? It describes gravity not as a force, but as the curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass. This elegant framework has given us insights into phenomena like black holes and the bending of light around massive objects, known as gravitational lensing. Here's something intriguing. Black holes, once considered purely theoretical, have become a fascinating area of study. These mysterious objects are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. The first image of a black hole was captured in 2019, revealing the shadow of a black hole in the center of galaxy M87, about 55 million light-years away. Imagine peering into the very heart of darkness, where time and space warp in ways that defy our everyday understanding. Speaking of light, did you know that the speed of light is a cosmic speed limit? Light travels at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, a speed so fast that it can circle Earth more than 7 times in a single second. This speed of light forms the basis for our understanding of the vast distances in space, where light years measure the distance light travels in 1 year. Here's another captivating fact. The universe is filled with a variety of mysterious phenomena known as dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter, which does not emit or absorb light, makes up an estimated 27% of the universe's mass energy content. Meanwhile, dark energy, a mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe, comprises about 60 to 8%. Together, these two components remind us of how much remains to be discovered in our cosmic journey. And while we're on the topic of cosmic wonders, have you ever imagined the beautiful dance of binary star systems? These systems, where 2 stars orbit a common center of mass, are more common than you might think. In fact, it is estimated that about half of all stars are part of binary or multiple star systems. Picture the elegance as these celestial partners twirl gracefully through the vast expanse of space. Here's something that might surprise you. Our Sun is considered a fairly average star in terms of size and brightness. However, it plays an extraordinary role as the source of light and heat for our solar system, nurturing the delicate balance of life on Earth. The Sun's energy is produced through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen nuclei combine to form helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. Speaking of the Sun, did you know that solar eclipses have long fascinated and inspired awe in cultures around the world? These celestial events occur when the Moon passes between Earth and the Sun, casting a shadow on our planet. They serve as poignant reminders of the intricate dance between celestial bodies and the rhythms of the cosmos. As we continue our exploration, let's take a moment to reflect on the significance of these discoveries and how they have shaped our understanding of the universe. Each fact, each revelation, is a piece of a much larger puzzle, inviting us to ponder our place in the cosmos with a sense of wonder and curiosity. As this chapter of our cosmic journey comes to a gentle close, let the vastness of space and the beauty of its mysteries lull you into a peaceful state of mind. Picture yourself floating among the stars, surrounded by the serene glow of distant galaxies. May the echoes of these discoveries enrich your dreams as you drift softly into the night. Welcome back, dear listener, to another chapter of our gentle journey through the cosmos. Tonight, let's wander together among the everyday wonders of space, those marvels that quietly shape our understanding of the universe and yet remain as mysterious as a whisper in the night. Did you know that Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a magnetic field that is 14 times stronger than Earth's? It stretches up to 2 million miles from the planet, creating a powerful magnetosphere. This vast field traps particles and creates intense radiation belts, much like a giant protective bubble. Imagine the sheer strength and magnitude of such an invisible force, guiding and protecting its domain in the silent expanse of space. Here's something fascinating. Jupiter is not only massive in size, but also holds a surprising number of moons. As of our latest discoveries, Jupiter has over 80 moons, each with its own unique character. Among them, Ganymede stands out as the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury, the smallest planet. Picture this colossal moon, with its icy surface and magnetic field, slowly orbiting its giant parent planet. It is one of the few moons known to have a magnetosphere, providing tantalizing hints of hidden depths and perhaps even an ocean beneath its frozen exterior. Speaking of moons, did you know that Saturn's moon Titan is the only moon in our solar system with a thick atmosphere? This orange-hued moon is shrouded in a dense mist of nitrogen and methane. And here's a gentle surprise. Titan has lakes and seas, not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. Imagine a landscape where rain falls as liquid hydrocarbons, creating a mirror-like sheen under the faint light of the distant sun. Such alien environments stretch our imaginations and remind us of the diversity of worlds that exist beyond our own. And speaking of Saturn, its rings are a wondrous spectacle, aren't they? Composed of countless icy particles ranging from tiny grains to large boulders, these rings are a captivating display of cosmic architecture. Did you know that the rings are incredibly thin, despite their vast width? In some places, they are only about 30 feet thick, yet they span hundreds of thousands of miles in diameter. Imagine a delicate lacework of ice and rock suspended in the vastness of space, glimmering softly in the sunlight. While we're on the topic of rings, let me share something interesting about Uranus. This often overlooked planet also has rings, though they are much darker and harder to see than Saturn's. Discovered in the late 20th century, Uranus's rings are composed mainly of larger particles, and they appear to contain little dust. This reminds us of the hidden stories that each planet holds, waiting patiently for us to uncover and explore. Speaking of hidden stories, Neptune, the most distant gas giant in our solar system, is home to the fastest winds recorded on any planet. These winds can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound here on Earth. Imagine the howling gales sweeping across Neptune's deep blue atmosphere, driven by unknown forces in its dynamic climate. This reminds me of another fascinating aspect of Neptune: its moon, Triton. Triton is one of the few moons in our solar system known to be geologically active. It has geysers that erupt with nitrogen gas, creating plumes that rise miles into its thin atmosphere. Picture the icy surface of Triton, punctuated by these dramatic geysers, painting a picture of a world that is both mysterious and alive. And here's a gentle segue from moons to the asteroids that populate our solar system. Did you know that most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt, a vast region between Mars and Jupiter? This belt is a treasure trove of primordial material left over from the formation of the solar system. Among these rocky remnants is Ceres, the largest object in the asteroid belt, which is also classified as a dwarf planet. Ceres, with its mysterious bright spots and thin atmosphere, offers a glimpse into the early days of planetary formation. Speaking of early planetary formation, let's drift to the Kuiper Belt, a distant region beyond Neptune that is home to icy bodies and dwarf planets. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet of our solar system, resides here. Since its reclassification as a dwarf planet, Pluto has continued to captivate us with its complex surface. Its heart-shaped glacier, made of nitrogen ice, is slowly shifting and changing over time. Imagine this delicate heart beating in the cold vacuum of space, a silent testament to the dynamic nature of distant worlds. While we're exploring distant regions, let's not forget the Oort cloud, an even more remote area that surrounds our solar system. It is a vast spherical shell of icy bodies, thought to be the source of long-period comets. These comets can take thousands of years to complete their orbits, traveling from the farthest reaches of our solar system to make brief, spectacular appearances in our night sky. The thought of these icy travelers, carrying the secrets of the early solar system, journeying through the cosmos, is nothing short of mesmerizing. As we drift further into the cosmos, did you know that light from stars can take thousands of years to reach us? The light from our nearest star neighbor, Proxima Centauri, takes just over 4 years to journey to Earth. Imagine the stories this starlight could tell, having traveled through the vastness of space, crossing interstellar distances to reach our eyes. Each twinkle in the night sky is a message from the past, a connection to the far-flung corners of the universe. And finally, here's a thought to ponder as we bring this chapter to a close. The universe is constantly expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other, stretching the fabric of space-time itself. This expansion was first observed by Edwin Hubble in the early 20th century, and it continues to shape our understanding of the cosmos. As you drift into sleep, imagine the universe as a grand tapestry, woven together by the delicate threads of stars, planets, and galaxies, ever expanding, ever evolving. As we wrap up this chapter of our cosmic journey, let the wonders of space fill your dreams with curiosity and awe. May the gentle glow of distant stars guide you into a peaceful slumber, and may the mysteries of the universe inspire a sense of wonder in the dreams that await you. Welcome, dear listener, to another chapter of our serene journey through the cosmos. I invite you to let your imagination wander as we delve into the fascinating hidden connections that bind the universe together. Picture this: the universe as a colossal, intricate web where every star, planet, and galaxy is interconnected in ways both visible and unseen. Let me share with you something truly remarkable about these connections. Did you know that gravitational forces are the silent conductors of this cosmic symphony? Gravity is the invisible thread that weaves through the universe, orchestrating the movements of celestial bodies. Imagine the planets in our solar system all held in their elegant dance around the sun by the gentle pull of gravity. It's a beautiful balance, much like the way a dancer moves in perfect harmony with the music. Without gravity's steady hand, the planets would drift aimlessly through space. Speaking of gravity, here's something fascinating. Gravity not only holds planets and stars in place, but also shapes entire galaxies. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is a spiral of stars and gas, all held together by the gravitational pull of a supermassive black hole at its center. This massive cosmic anchor ensures that the stars within the galaxy do not scatter into the void. Can you imagine the immense forces at play, drawing countless stars into a graceful, swirling spiral? Now, this reminds me of another intriguing fact about black holes. Did you know that they are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, as often depicted, but also crucial to the formation of new stars? The powerful gravitational forces of black holes can compress nearby gas and dust, sparking the birth of new stars. So, in a way, black holes are both end and beginning, a fascinating cycle of destruction and creation. And here's a thought that might surprise you. Light, which seems so fast to us, can be used as a tool to measure the vast distances in space. Astronomers use the speed of light to define what is called a light year, which is the distance light travels in 1 year. Considering that light can travel about 300,000 kilometers per second, it covers nearly 10 trillion kilometers in 1 year. When you look at the stars in the night sky, remember that some of them are so far away that their light has taken millions of years to reach us. It's like looking back in time, a glimpse into the universe's ancient past. This exploration of light takes us to the concept of the cosmic microwave background radiation. Did you know that this faint glow is the afterglow of the Big Bang, the event that birthed the universe? This radiation fills the cosmos and serves as a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old, a mere infant in cosmic terms. The discovery of this microwave background was a pivotal moment in understanding our universe's origins, providing tangible evidence of the universe's fiery beginnings. Now, let me share something intriguing about the vastness of the universe itself. The observable universe, which is what we can see from Earth, is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's a number so vast it's almost beyond comprehension. Yet, scientists believe that this is just a tiny portion of the entire universe, which might extend far beyond what we can observe. It's breathtaking to think about all the galaxies, stars, and planets that exist beyond our current understanding, waiting to be discovered. Here's another fascinating connection. Did you know that galaxies can interact and even merge with one another? These cosmic collisions, while taking millions of years, can lead to the birth of new stars and the reshaping of entire galaxies. Our Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, and though this won't happen for another 4 billion years, it's a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. And speaking of galactic interactions, have you ever heard about the phenomenon of gravitational lensing? This is where the gravitational field of a massive object, like a galaxy cluster, bends and magnifies the light from objects behind it. It's like having a giant cosmic magnifying glass, allowing astronomers to peer into the distant universe, discovering galaxies that would otherwise be invisible. This remarkable effect helps us understand the distribution of mass in the universe, including elusive dark matter. Dark matter. Now there's a mysterious subject. Did you know that this unseen substance makes up about 27% of the universe? Though we cannot see it directly, we know it exists because of its gravitational effects on visible matter, like stars and galaxies. It's as if we're piecing together a cosmic puzzle where dark matter holds the universe together. Imagine the universe as a grand artwork, and dark matter as the unseen canvas on which all celestial bodies are painted. This brings us to another fascinating element of cosmic connection: dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that makes up about 68% of the universe, driving its accelerated expansion. It's like the universe is ballooning outward at an ever-increasing pace. The discovery of dark energy was a profound shift in our understanding of cosmic dynamics, posing new questions about the ultimate fate of the universe. As you let these connections sink in, consider how each fact we've explored tonight is part of a larger narrative, a cosmic story that binds everything together. From the gentle pull of gravity to the expansive push of dark energy, the universe is a place of intricate balance and profound wonder. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. With these thoughts, let's gently conclude this chapter of our cosmic journey. May the universe's hidden connections inspire a sense of awe and curiosity, leading you into a peaceful slumber filled with dreams of stars and galaxies. As you drift off, remember the cosmos is vast and wondrous, and we are all part of its beautiful tapestry. Good night, and may the stars guide your dreams. Welcome back, dear listener, to our continued voyage through the cosmos. As we embark on this chapter, let's glide gently through the spaces between our familiar planetary neighbors, where the remarkable asteroid belt lies. Did you know that the asteroid belt is a vast region filled with countless rocky remnants that orbit the Sun? It's nestled between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and it's truly a treasure trove of cosmic history. Imagine, if you will, a region of space filled with millions of rocky fragments, each a silent witness to the early days of our solar system. These asteroids are like cosmic breadcrumbs, offering clues about the formation of planets. Some are quite small, mere pebbles in the vastness of space, while others, like Ceres, are large enough to be considered dwarf planets. Isn't it fascinating how these ancient rocks can tell us so much about our own origins? Speaking of Ceres, did you know it was the first asteroid to be discovered, back in 1801? This remarkable object is so significant that it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Ceres is not just any rocky body. It holds water ice beneath its surface, and even has an atmosphere that is thin but intriguing. This discovery hints at the possibility of a past ocean, making Ceres a point of interest for scientists searching for signs of life beyond Earth. As we meander through the asteroid belt, imagine the gentle collisions and gravitational influences that shape these rocks' paths. Some asteroids have even been nudged from their orbits, becoming meteoroids that occasionally find their way to Earth. When these meteors streak across our sky, they offer a mesmerizing spectacle, a reminder of our connection to the cosmos. Now, let me share something truly intriguing. The asteroid belt is not as crowded as you might envision. It might conjure images of densely packed rocks like in a science fiction movie, but in reality these asteroids are spread out over a vast area, making actual collisions quite rare. The distances between them are so immense that if you were traveling through the belt, you'd likely pass through it without encountering any obstacles at all. This reminds me of the awe-inspiring phenomena of meteor showers. These celestial events occur when Earth passes through the trail of debris left by a comet or an asteroid. Picture the sky illuminated by countless shooting stars, each a tiny piece of cosmic history burning brightly for a moment before vanishing. Isn't it remarkable how something as small as a grain of sand can create such a breathtaking display? And speaking of meteor showers, did you know that some of the most famous ones, like the Perseids and the Geminids, are annual events? These showers are named after the constellations from which they appear to radiate. The Perseids, for instance, take their name from the constellation Perseus, and put on a dazzling show every August as Earth crosses the path of the swift Tuttle comet. This cosmic dance of meteors brings us to the intriguing tales of meteorites. When a meteoroid survives its fiery passage through Earth's atmosphere and lands on the surface, it is called a meteorite. These celestial visitors can be composed of rock, metal, or a combination of both, and they offer invaluable insights into the building blocks of the solar system. Imagine holding a piece of another world in your hand, a tangible connection to the vast universe beyond. Here's something fascinating about meteorites. Some contain tiny grains that predate the solar system itself. These ancient particles, known as pre-solar grains, formed in the atmospheres of dying stars and were incorporated into the dust and gas that eventually formed our sun and planets. It's like holding a piece of cosmic history, older than our own star. Let me weave in another connection for you. The study of meteorites has revealed the presence of organic compounds, the very building blocks of life. This discovery suggests that the ingredients for life might be more common in the universe than we previously thought. Isn't it wondrous to consider that the seeds of life might have traveled across the cosmos, hitching a ride on these celestial messengers? As our journey through the asteroid belt draws to a close, let's take a moment to appreciate how these rocky bodies are not just relics of the past, but also subjects of future exploration. Space missions like NASA's Dawn spacecraft have provided us with detailed images and data from Ceres and the asteroid Vesta, unveiling their secrets and inviting us to learn even more. With these reflections, let's gently transition from the rocky remnants of the asteroid belt to the icy mysteries of comets, those captivating wanderers of the solar system. Comets, like asteroids, are remnants from the early solar system, but they tell a different part of the cosmic story. Imagine a distant object composed of ice, dust, and rocky material traveling through space, untouched for billions of years. As a comet approaches the sun, its surface begins to warm, and it develops a glowing coma and a tail that can stretch millions of kilometers. These tails are pushed away from the sun by solar wind, creating a beautiful luminous display in our skies. Did you know that comets are believed to have delivered water and organic molecules to the early Earth, possibly playing a crucial role in the emergence of life? It's a humbling thought that these icy travelers may have been instrumental in shaping the conditions that allowed life to flourish on our planet. And here's another fascinating aspect of comets. Their orbits are often highly elliptical, taking them far beyond the planets to the distant reaches of the solar system and then swinging them back toward the sun. Some comets, like Halley's Comet, are regular visitors, completing their journey in a predictable cycle and offering us a chance to witness their splendor time and again. As we let these gentle revelations fill our thoughts, reflect on how the asteroid belt and comets serve as cosmic storytellers, bridging the ancient past with the present. Their tales of formation, collision, and journeying inspire us to look beyond our world and contemplate the vast wonders of the universe. With these musings, we drift into a peaceful contemplation of the cosmos, where each fact is like a star shining in the night sky, inviting you to dream of the endless possibilities that lie beyond. As you rest, may the soothing rhythms of space lull you into a deep, restful sleep, where your dreams are filled with the magic of the universe. Good night, dear explorer, and may the stars illuminate your path. Welcome back, dear dreamer, as we continue our gentle journey through the cosmos. Let me guide you through a realm of wonder and discovery, where each fact about space unfurls like a soft twinkling star in the night sky. Together, we'll explore larger patterns that link the vast elements of the universe, revealing a tapestry of cosmic connections. Did you know that the universe is expanding? It's quite remarkable because this expansion is happening in every direction, causing galaxies to move away from each other. Imagine space as a vast, stretching fabric that continues to grow. This expansion was first observed through the redshift of light from distant galaxies, a discovery that hints at the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the cosmos. In this grand scheme, each galaxy seems like a dot on an inflating balloon, drifting further apart as time progresses. Speaking of galaxies, here's something fascinating. Within their swirling, starry arms lies unity and diversity. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from majestic spirals to elliptical giants and irregular forms. Yet, despite their differences, they all follow the cosmic dance dictated by gravity. This gravitational pull not only holds stars and planets within the galaxy, but also influences nearby galaxies, often leading to breathtaking cosmic encounters. And here's another captivating fact. When galaxies collide, they don't crash in a chaotic mess. Rather, the stars within them pass by each other with vast spaces in between, rarely colliding. These galactic mergers can create magnificent new structures, like starburst regions where new stars are born at an accelerated rate. Over millions of years, these interactions can reshape galaxies, leading to the formation of new stars and redistributing cosmic dust and gas. Now, picture this. Our very own Milky Way and its neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, are on a slow-motion collision course, though this cosmic ballet won't reach its climax for another 4 billion years. When it does, the two galaxies will merge to form a new elliptical galaxy. It's a humbling reminder of the impermanence and constant transformation inherent in the universe. Did you ever wonder about the role of dark matter? It's an intriguing aspect of our universe that remains largely invisible to us. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it undetectable through conventional telescopes. Yet it accounts for about 85% of the total mass of the universe. It exerts gravitational forces that influence galaxies and galaxy clusters, holding them together like an unseen cosmic web. This reminds me of another perplexing element: dark energy. It's even more mysterious than dark matter, making up about 70% of the universe's energy content. Dark energy is believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe, a force that counteracts the pull of gravity on cosmic scales. Imagine it as a gentle push, urging galaxies apart faster than ever before. You might find this interesting. The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is like a faint afterglow of the Big Bang. It fills the universe with a uniform, low-energy radiation that provides crucial insights into the universe's infancy. By studying the CMB, scientists can piece together the earliest moments of the universe, revealing patterns that hint at its overall structure and evolution. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, stars are not just distant points of light. They're the forges of heavy elements, born in their fiery cores through nuclear fusion. Did you know that elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron are produced in stars and distributed across the galaxy when these stars explode as supernovae? This stellar recycling enriches the interstellar medium, providing the raw materials for new stars and planets, and ultimately, life itself. Here's something to ponder. The concept of the multiverse suggests that our universe might be just one of many. Each universe could have its own set of physical laws and constants, existing in parallel with our own. While this idea is still very much theoretical, it expands our understanding of reality, hinting at a much larger, more complex cosmos than we can currently perceive. And speaking of the broader universe, consider the role of black holes. These enigmatic objects, with gravitational pulls so strong that nothing can escape from them, are crucial players in the cosmic game. At the centers of most galaxies, including our own, lie supermassive black holes. These cosmic giants influence the formation and growth of their host galaxies, anchoring them in space and affecting the orbits of stars and gas in their vicinity. Here's another remarkable connection. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a rapid expansion, growing exponentially in a fraction of a second. This inflationary period smoothed out any irregularities, setting the stage for the structured universe we observe today. It's a process that exemplifies the universe's ability to create order from chaos, laying down a blueprint from which galaxies, stars, and planets could eventually form. As we weave these threads of cosmic knowledge together, think about the interconnectedness of all these elements. The universe is a vast, intricate web of phenomena, where each component plays a role in the larger picture. From the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies, everything is part of a cosmic symphony, each note contributing to the harmony of existence. As we conclude this chapter of cosmic exploration, let these reflections on the universe's larger patterns fill your thoughts with awe and wonder. Embrace the serenity of knowing that we are all part of something greater, a vast universe that stretches beyond our imagination. May the tranquil rhythms of space guide you into a peaceful slumber where dreams are steeped in the mysteries and marvels of the cosmos. Good night, my fellow wanderer, and may you find comfort in the starlit tapestry above. Welcome back. Dear traveler of the cosmos, as we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space, let's delve into some surprising truths that will gently stir your imagination and curiosity. Did you know that the seemingly empty spaces between stars are not empty at all? In fact, they are filled with a thin soup of gas and dust known as the interstellar medium. This medium is so diffuse that if you gathered all of it within a cubic centimeter, you would find fewer than one atom. Yet this sparse material plays a crucial role in the formation of stars and planets, acting as a cosmic nursery for new celestial bodies. Imagine this delicate balance between emptiness and creation, where the smallest particles give birth to new worlds. Here's something fascinating. The Voyager spacecraft, which have traveled further from Earth than any other human-made objects, are now in interstellar space. Launched in the late 1970s, these twin spacecraft have been journeying for over 4 decades, carrying with them golden records filled with sounds and images of Earth. They continue to send back whispers from the boundary of our solar system, a testament to human ingenuity and our quest to explore the unknown. Imagine the quiet solitude of these spacecraft, drifting through the vastness, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic sea. Speaking of long journeys, consider the light from distant stars. When you look up at the night sky, you are seeing light that has traveled for thousands or even millions of years. This means that you are observing ancient history, the state of the universe as it was long ago. The light from the star Betelgeuse, for instance, takes about 600 years to reach us. As you gaze at this flickering point in the sky, you are witnessing an echo from the past, a reminder of the vast scales of time and space that surround us. This reminds me of the concept of dark matter, an elusive substance that makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe. Despite its abundance, dark matter does not emit or absorb light, making it invisible and detectable only through its gravitational effects on visible matter. Imagine a cosmic ghost, gently tugging on the stars and galaxies, shaping their motion and structure, yet remaining hidden from view. The mystery of dark matter invites us to ponder the unseen forces that govern the universe. You might find this interesting. The universe is not only expanding, it is doing so at an accelerating rate. This surprising discovery has led scientists to propose the existence of dark energy, an unknown form of energy that permeates space and drives this acceleration. Dark energy is thought to comprise about 70% of the universe, influencing its fate on a grand scale. Picture the cosmos as a vast balloon inflating ever more rapidly, with galaxies riding its surface, moving further apart as time passes. And speaking of the universe's expansion, did you know that galaxies are not scattered randomly throughout space? Instead, they are arranged in vast, web-like structures known as the cosmic web. These filaments of galaxies and dark matter form an intricate pattern resembling the threads of a spider's web stretching across the cosmos. It's a reminder of the underlying order and beauty that can emerge from the chaos of the Big Bang, a testament to the universe's ability to create complex structures on the largest scales. Here's another surprising truth. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. This cosmic dance, set to unfold in about 4 billion years, will result in the two galaxies merging to form a new, larger galaxy. While this might sound cataclysmic, the vast distances between stars mean that collisions between them are unlikely. Instead, the galaxies will gracefully intermingle, their stars and planets weaving together in a new cosmic tapestry. Imagine the majestic ballet of two galaxies spiraling together in an intricate embrace. Speaking of galactic dances, let's not forget about the role of supernovae in the cosmic cycle. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in brilliant supernovae, scattering their enriched material into space. This process seeds the interstellar medium with elements necessary for the formation of new stars, planets, and even life itself. The calcium in our bones and the iron in our blood were forged in these stellar furnaces. Reflect on the poetic notion that we are made of star stuff, connected to the cosmos in the most profound way. You might be surprised to learn that the universe is fine-tuned for life, with physical constants that appear delicately balanced to allow for the existence of complex organisms. If the strength of gravity or the charge of electrons were just slightly different, stars might not form, or atoms might not hold together, making life as we know it impossible. This fine-tuning puzzle raises intriguing questions about the nature of reality and our place within it, inviting a sense of wonder at the delicate balance of the cosmos. Let me share something truly remarkable: the existence of rogue planets which drift through space unattached to any star. These solitary wanderers are thought to be ejected from their original star systems by gravitational interactions. Despite their loneliness, rogue planets could potentially harbor life, warmed by geothermal activity beneath thick atmospheres. Imagine a planet adrift in the dark, a solitary sanctuary amidst the vast emptiness. And speaking of potential homes for life, consider the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, both have subsurface oceans hidden beneath icy crusts. These oceans, kept warm by tidal forces, could harbor life shielded from the harshness of space. Imagine the hidden ecosystems that might thrive in these alien seas, a testament to the resilience of life and the diversity of environments in our solar system. As we weave these threads of cosmic knowledge together, think about the interconnectedness of all these elements. From the smallest particle to the grandest galaxy, each plays a role in the larger cosmic story. The universe is a vast, intricate web of phenomena where each component contributes to the harmony of existence. As we embrace these reflections on the universe's larger patterns, may they fill your thoughts with awe and wonder, guiding you gently into a peaceful slumber where dreams are steeped in the mysteries and marvels of the cosmos. Good night, my fellow wanderer, and may you find comfort in the starlit tapestry above. Welcome back, dear traveler, to our journey through the cosmic night. Let us continue to explore the wonders of space as we drift gently into fascinating realms of starlight and stardust. Did you know that stars are born in nebulae, which are vast clouds of gas and dust? These stellar nurseries are the cosmic wombs where gravity clumps particles together until nuclear fusion ignites, lighting up a new star. Picture this: a luminous pearl forming within a swirling, colorful mist, a new beacon in the vast universe. As stars mature, they undergo a life cycle that spans billions of years. This reminds me of our own sun, which is about halfway through its life, having quietly burned for around 4.5 billion years and with another 5 billion years to go. It provides a gentle, nurturing warmth that sustains life on Earth. And speaking of the sun, let me share something intriguing. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy, a majestic spiral of stars swirling around a central point. Our galaxy is home to over 100 billion stars, each with its own story, and possibly many with their own planets. Imagine the countless worlds and possibilities hidden within these swirling cosmic arms. The Milky Way itself is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe, each a bustling city of stars, separated by vast cosmic distances. Can you imagine how each galaxy holds its own collection of mysteries and wonders, like a grand library of cosmic tales? Here's something fascinating. The light from distant stars and galaxies takes millions to billions of years to reach us. This means when we gaze at the night sky, we're looking back in time, seeing these celestial objects as they were long ago. This cosmic time machine offers glimpses into the universe's history, revealing stories of formation and transformation. When you think about it, every starlit night is a journey through time, a tapestry woven from threads of ancient light. Let me tell you about black holes, those mysterious regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. They are often born from the remnants of massive stars that have reached the end of their life cycles, collapsing under their own gravity. Here's a fascinating fact. At the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times more massive than our Sun. Its presence subtly influences the dance of stars around it, a silent conductor in the galactic symphony. The more you learn about black holes, the more amazing they become, not just for their mysterious pull, but for the way they warp space-time itself. Speaking of space-time, did you know that our understanding of it has been profoundly shaped by Einstein's theory of relativity? This theory describes how massive objects, like planets and stars, warp the fabric of space-time, creating the force we experience as gravity. It's a bit like placing a heavy ball on a trampoline, causing it to dip and curve around the ball. This elegant concept helps explain the orbits of planets and the paths that light takes as it travels through the universe. Here's something truly remarkable: gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by accelerating massive objects like colliding black holes or neutron stars. These waves were first detected in 2015, confirming a prediction made by Einstein a century earlier. They open a new window into the universe, allowing us to listen to cosmic events that are otherwise invisible. Imagine the universe as a vast musical composition, where gravitational waves add their own subtle notes to the symphony. You might find it interesting that while gravity binds celestial bodies together, the universe on the largest scales is expanding. This expansion was first observed by Edwin Hubble, who noticed that galaxies are moving away from us, with more distant galaxies receding faster. This discovery led to the concept of the Big Bang, the explosive event thought to have given birth to the universe around 13.8 billion years ago. When you think about it, we are part of an ever-growing universe. Speaking of cosmic evolution, let me share with you the notion of dark matter and dark energy. Together they make up most of the universe's mass energy content, yet they remain some of its greatest mysteries. While dark matter acts as an invisible scaffolding, holding galaxies together with its gravitational pull, dark energy is thought to drive the accelerated expansion of the universe. Can you imagine? Most of the universe is unseen and unexplained, a reminder of how much there is still to discover. This reminds me of the search for exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. With the help of space telescopes like Kepler and TESS, thousands of these distant worlds have been discovered, some of which may have conditions suitable for life. Imagine the possibilities of alien landscapes and ecosystems evolving under different skies. The quest to find another Earth continues to inspire wonder and curiosity. And speaking of life, did you know that all the elements necessary for life, like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, are forged in the hearts of stars? As stars die, they scatter these elements into space, seeding new generations of stars and planets. This cosmic recycling process connects us to the stars, reminding us that we are truly made of stardust. In the grand scheme of things, every star, planet, and galaxy is a chapter in the universe's unfolding story. The more we learn about space, the more we see the intricate connections that bind everything together. As we reflect on these final thoughts, let the mysteries of the cosmos fill your mind with awe and wonder. Embrace the tranquility of knowing that we are all part of this vast, interconnected universe. As you drift into slumber, imagine the gentle embrace of the universe, cradling you in its mysteries and marvels. May your dreams be filled with starlit adventures and cosmic discoveries. Good night, my fellow traveler, and may the stars watch over your restful night. Welcome back, dear listener, to our celestial journey through the mysteries of space. Tonight, we're going to take a gentle dive into the science that unfolds the wonders of the universe. As you settle into comfort, allow your imagination to wander among the stars and galaxies, weaving through the intricate tapestry of cosmic phenomena. Let me share with you some of the marvels that scientists have uncovered, as well as the many questions still waiting to be answered. Did you know that light, which seems so ordinary and familiar, is one of the most remarkable phenomena in our universe? Light travels at an incredible speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. This speed is not just a number, it's a cosmic speed limit, the fastest anything can travel. Imagine, in the time it takes to blink, light has already circled the Earth over 7 times. The fact that light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us is a gentle reminder of the vast distances in space, even within our own solar system. When you gaze at the stars, you are looking at the past, because the light you see has traveled many years to reach your eyes. Here's something fascinating. The color of the light emitted by stars can tell us a lot about their temperature and composition. Stars burn in colors across the spectrum, from the cool reds of older stars to the blistering blue of the hottest giants. By analyzing the light from these distant suns, astronomers can determine what elements are present in a star, much like reading a cosmic barcode. This technique, known as spectroscopy, is one of the most important tools in the astronomer's toolkit, unlocking secrets about everything from the atmosphere of exoplanets to the life cycles of the stars themselves. Speaking of the life cycle of stars, isn't it awe-inspiring to consider how these celestial objects are born, live, and die? Stars form in vast clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae, where gravity pulls material together until nuclear fusion ignites in the core, giving birth to a new star. As the star ages, it undergoes changes in size, temperature, and brightness. Some stars, like our Sun, will eventually expand into a red giant, shedding their outer layers, while more massive stars might end their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. The remnants of these explosions can form neutron stars or even black holes, dense objects with gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape. This cycle of starbirth and death is a cosmic dance, continuously enriching the universe with the heavy elements needed for the formation of new stars and planets. Now, let me take you on a journey through the vastness of the galaxies. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the observable universe, each a sprawling collection of stars, planets, and dust, bound together by gravity. Galaxies come in various shapes and sizes, from elegant spirals like our own, with their graceful arms spinning outward, to chaotic irregular galaxies that defy simple classification. It's a humbling thought that each of these galaxies contains countless worlds, each potentially home to its own stories and mysteries. The presence of dark matter is another one of the universe's great puzzles. Did you know that only about 5% of the universe is made up of the regular matter that we can see and touch? The rest is a mysterious substance called dark matter, and an even more enigmatic force known as dark energy. Dark matter does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible and detectable only through its gravitational effects on galaxies and galaxy clusters. It's as if there's an unseen hand holding galaxies together, preventing them from flying apart as they spin. Here's something truly intriguing: the concept of dark energy, a force that seems to be driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. This phenomenon was discovered in the late 20th century, and it overturns the assumption that gravity would eventually slow the expansion of the universe. Instead, dark energy appears to be causing galaxies to move away from each other at ever-increasing speeds. This discovery has profound implications for the ultimate fate of the universe, hinting at a future where galaxies drift so far apart that they disappear from each other's view. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe and its fundamental forces. As we ponder these cosmic mysteries, let's take a moment to consider the concept of time in the universe. Time, which seems so constant in our daily lives, is anything but straightforward on a cosmic scale. Did you know that time can actually be affected by gravity? According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the stronger the gravitational field, the slower time passes. This effect, called time dilation, has been confirmed by experiments here on Earth, as well as observations of cosmic phenomena like black holes. Imagine, if you were to travel close to a massive object like a black hole, you could experience time much more slowly than someone far away from it. It's as if the universe has its own way of bending and stretching the fabric of time, weaving it into the grand design of cosmic order. And now, let's reflect on how these scientific discoveries connect to our existence. We are part of this vast, dynamic universe, a universe that is both our cradle and our mystery. Each new discovery deepens our understanding of the cosmos, yet also reveals new layers of complexity. It's a journey without end, filled with questions that inspire us to keep looking, keep wondering, and keep reaching for the stars. As our conversation draws to a close, remember that the universe holds untold secrets, each waiting for its moment to illuminate our minds. Whether through the soft glow of starlight or the distant whisper of cosmic radiation, it speaks to us in a language of awe and wonder. Let these thoughts cradle you into a peaceful slumber, where dreams of galaxies and stardust might gently tread. Good night, dear explorer of the cosmos, until our next adventure among the stars. Welcome back, dear listener, to our continuing journey through the serene expanses of space. As we drift deeper into the mysteries of the universe, let me guide you through some captivating tales from history that illuminate our understanding of the cosmos. Together we'll explore the rich tapestry of celestial discoveries woven by those who dared to look beyond the horizon. Did you know that human curiosity about the stars is as ancient as civilization itself? Thousands of years ago, before the invention of telescopes, ancient cultures across the globe built magnificent structures aligned with the stars. The Great Pyramids of Giza, for instance, were aligned with certain stars in the Orion constellation. Imagine standing in the desert night, watching as the stars rise and fall with precision, marking time and seasons long before the advent of clocks. It's a testament to our innate desire to connect with the cosmos. The more we learn about these ancient practices, the more we appreciate the intricate bond between humanity and the universe. This reminds me of something equally fascinating. The ancient Greeks, who were pioneers in the study of the heavens, believed that the movements of celestial bodies had direct influences on human affairs. Aristotle and Ptolemy, two brilliant minds of their time, proposed geocentric models where Earth was at the center of the universe. It was a perspective that dominated Western thought for centuries, illustrating how our understanding evolves over time. Can you imagine a time when the sun and all the stars revolved around us? Speaking of shifting perspectives, let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative work of Nicholas Copernicus in the 16th century. Did you know that Copernicus was the first to propose a heliocentric model of the cosmos? His revolutionary idea placed the sun at the center, with Earth and other planets orbiting around it. This wasn't just a scientific breakthrough, it was a paradigm shift that redefined humanity's place in the universe. His ideas laid the groundwork for future astronomers like Galileo and Kepler, who expanded upon this model, setting the stage for modern astronomy. Here's something truly remarkable. Johannes Kepler, inspired by Copernicus, discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits, not perfect circles as previously thought. His laws of planetary motion provided a mathematical explanation for the celestial mechanics that govern our solar system. Kepler's insights helped Isaac Newton later develop his theory of gravity, showing how interconnected our scientific understanding is. When you think about it, each discovery builds upon the last, like a cosmic ladder leading us ever closer to the stars. Imagine the wonder of the 17th century, when Galileo Galilei, using an early telescope, observed moons orbiting Jupiter. This was a direct challenge to the geocentric model and a vivid illustration of the heliocentric system. Galileo's observations were like opening a window to the universe, showing that not all celestial bodies revolve around Earth. It sparked a revolution in thought, igniting the scientific method we know today. Can you see how these historical figures shaped our perception of the cosmos, one observation at a time? This connects to something else fascinating. The Enlightenment era brought about a surge in astronomical observations and discoveries. Edmund Halley, for example, predicted the return of the comet that now bears his name. Halley's comet, as you might know, is a periodic visitor to our skies, appearing roughly every 76 years. His ability to predict its return was a significant triumph for astronomy, demonstrating the power of mathematics to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Imagine the excitement of witnessing a celestial event that speaks directly to our collective history. Let me tell you something truly remarkable. The 19th century saw the development of astrophotography, allowing scientists to capture images of celestial bodies with unprecedented clarity. William Henry Fox Talbot and John Herschel were among the pioneers of this field. With the ability to photograph the night sky, astronomers could study the details of stars and planets over time, leading to discoveries that had been previously unimaginable. It's like having a time machine, where each image captured tells a story of the universe, both timeless and ever-changing. And now, picture this. The early 20th century introduced us to the concept of an expanding universe, thanks to Edwin Hubble's observations. He discovered that galaxies are moving away from us, with distant galaxies receding faster than those closer to us. This was a groundbreaking revelation that led to the formulation of the Big Bang theory, suggesting that the universe had a beginning. Hubble's work fundamentally transformed our understanding of the cosmos, illustrating how the universe is dynamic, ever-evolving, and full of surprises. Speaking of cosmic evolution, let's consider the incredible insights provided by the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint glow, a remnant of the Big Bang, was first detected in the 1960s by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson. It provides a snapshot of the early universe, helping scientists understand the conditions of the cosmos just moments after its inception. The discovery of this cosmic background radiation was a pivotal moment in cosmology, confirming the Big Bang theory and offering a glimpse into the birth of everything we know. Here's another fascinating perspective. The development of space telescopes, like the Hubble Space Telescope launched in 1990, has expanded our knowledge exponentially. By observing space from above Earth's atmosphere, scientists have captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other cosmic phenomena. These images are not only beautiful but also contribute to our understanding of the universe's vastness and complexity. It's as if with every picture, we're writing a new chapter in the story of space exploration. As we reflect on these historical strides, let's pause to appreciate the human spirit of exploration and discovery. Throughout history, our gaze has been drawn upward, seeking to understand the mysteries of the universe. Each discovery is a testament to our relentless curiosity, our desire to learn, and our ability to adapt and evolve our understanding of the cosmos. These historical moments are not just milestones in science, They are stories of visionaries who dared to dream beyond the limitations of their time. In the grand tapestry of cosmic history, we see a reflection of our own journey as explorers of the universe. From ancient stargazers who mapped the heavens to modern astronomers who probe the depths of space, every generation contributes to a legacy of wonder and inquiry. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe, a dance of time and space that continues to unfold. As our journey through historical perspectives comes to a gentle close, let these stories of exploration and discovery cradle you into a peaceful slumber. May your dreams be filled with the wonder of the stars and the promise of new adventures in the cosmos. Until next time, dear explorer, may the mysteries of space inspire your nights and fill your dreams with infinite possibilities. Good night. Welcome back, dear explorer. Tonight, as we drift further into the mysteries of space, let's take a compassionate journey through humanity's cultural connections to the cosmos. You might find it intriguing how throughout history and across cultures, the night sky has been a source of inspiration, wonder, and profound meaning. From ancient civilizations to modern times, our relationship with the stars is woven deeply into the fabric of human expression. Let me share something interesting. Did you know that many cultures across the world have created myths and legends based on the stars and celestial events? These stories often reflect the values, beliefs, and hopes of the societies that crafted them. Imagine the ancient Greeks, who saw the night sky as a grand tapestry where gods and heroes lived out their epic tales. The constellations like Orion, Perseus, and Andromeda are not just patterns of stars, they're immortalized narratives that have endured through the ages. Can you picture the Greek philosopher gazing at the stars, contemplating the stories above and how they mirror the human experience below? It's fascinating because these myths provided a framework for understanding the world, creating a sense of order amidst the mysteries of the universe. This connects to something else fascinating. In many indigenous cultures, the stars are seen as ancestors or spirits watching over us. For example, the Aboriginal Australians have a rich tradition of sky stories that convey essential knowledge about navigation, seasons, and survival. These stories are not just tales, they are integral to cultural identity and heritage. It's a reminder of how the night sky serves as a celestial map, guiding both the physical and spiritual journeys of people through time. Speaking of which, have you ever wondered how the rhythm of the cosmos influences our daily lives? The lunar calendar, used by various cultures, demonstrates this connection quite beautifully. With its cycle of new and full moons, it governs everything from agricultural practices to religious festivals. Picture ancient farmers looking to the moon to determine the best times to plant and harvest crops. This reliance on celestial patterns is a testament to the profound influence the cosmos has on our earthly rhythms. Here's another fascinating aspect. In Hindu mythology, the cosmos is intricately linked with the concept of time and creation. The dance of the god Shiva, known as the Tandava, symbolizes the cosmic cycles of creation and destruction, echoing the perpetual birth and death of stars in the universe. This cosmic dance is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, a theme that resonates deeply in both scientific and spiritual contexts. This reminds me of the ancient Chinese practice of feng shui, which considers the positioning of the stars and planets to harmonize the environment and create balance in life. The belief that cosmic energy, or qi, flows through everything connects the heavens above with the world below. It's a gentle reminder of how space and our immediate surroundings are intertwined, inviting us to find harmony and balance in our own lives. Now let me tell you something truly remarkable about the northern and southern lights, also known as aurora borealis and aurora australis. Did you know that these mesmerizing displays of light have inspired countless legends and cultural interpretations? The Sami people of northern Europe, for instance, believed the lights were the souls of the departed, while some Inuit communities saw them as the spirits of animals. These celestial phenomena serve as bridges between the earthly and the ethereal, a luminous dance that sparks wonder and reflection. Transitioning from light to sound, have you ever pondered the music of the spheres? This ancient philosophical concept, attributed to Pythagoras, suggests that the planets and stars move according to mathematical equations which correspond to musical notes, creating a symphony of the cosmos. Although we cannot hear this celestial music with our ears, the idea that the universe is in harmony resonates with the beauty of mathematics and the laws that govern space. Here's something else that might surprise you. The modern concept of space art is a unique blend of science and creativity that seeks to capture the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Artists use a variety of media to visualize phenomena like black holes, nebulae, and distant galaxies, transforming scientific data into breathtaking works of art. This artistic expression not only inspires curiosity, but also bridges the gap between the scientific community and the public, inviting more people to appreciate the wonders of the universe. In the grand scheme of things, these cultural connections to the cosmos reveal how deeply intertwined our lives are with the universe. They remind us that no matter where we come from, the stars have always been a source of inspiration and guidance, a celestial mirror reflecting our hopes, dreams, and the mysteries of existence. As we contemplate these connections, let them gently guide us toward a greater understanding of our place in the universe. The more you learn about these cultural ties, the more amazing it becomes. They illuminate how humanity has sought to comprehend the unknown and find meaning in the infinite expanse above. As we continue to explore space with modern technology, it's humbling to remember that these cultural stories have paved the way for our scientific endeavors. As we draw this chapter to a close, let these stories cradle you into a restful night's sleep, filled with dreams of starlit nights and cosmic wonders. May they inspire you to gaze upward with a renewed sense of curiosity and connection. Until next time, dear explorer, may the stars keep watch over you and guide your dreams toward infinite possibilities. Good night. Welcome, dear listener, to another chapter of our cosmic exploration. Tonight we'll gently drift into the future, peering into the dreams and possibilities that lie ahead in our journey through space. Let me share with you some intriguing thoughts about what the future might hold for humanity as we continue our age-old quest to understand the universe. Did you know that scientists are continuously working on ways to explore distant worlds, much like the Star Trek adventures many of us have imagined as children? One of the most exciting prospects is the concept of light sails. These are spacecraft that use large reflective sails to harness the pressure of sunlight for propulsion. It's a bit like how a sailboat uses wind to glide across the sea, except here, photons from the sun push the spacecraft across the vast reaches of space. This method could someday enable us to send probes to nearby star systems, potentially within our lifetime. Imagine a fleet of these light sails, gently coasting across the cosmos, carrying messages and instruments to explore uncharted territories. The more we consider this possibility, the more it sparks our imagination about what we could discover. Speaking of propulsion, another fascinating idea is that of nuclear fusion-powered spacecraft. Fusion, which is the process that powers our sun, promises a form of energy that is incredibly efficient and clean. If we can harness fusion power for spacecraft, it could greatly reduce travel time between planets or even stars. This means that a trip to Mars, which currently takes several months, could be completed in just a fraction of that time. Think about the implications for human colonization of other planets. With faster travel times, the dream of establishing permanent human settlements on Mars or even beyond becomes much more feasible. It's a dream that carries with it the potential for new societies to emerge, each with their own unique cultures and ways of life, rooted in the stars. Here's something fascinating. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, commonly known as SETI, is a field that continues to evolve with technology. Researchers are listening for signals from distant civilizations, sifting through the cosmic noise for anything that might hint at intelligent life. Imagine the moment when, perhaps one quiet evening, a faint signal is detected. What would it mean for us to know, without a doubt, that we are not alone in the universe? This potential discovery could redefine our understanding of life itself and our place within the cosmos. As we gaze upward, it's comforting to know that every star we see could be host to its own stories, its own civilizations, watching the same stars from their own vantage points. With our ever-growing knowledge and technology, humanity is on the brink of becoming an interplanetary species. Did you know that there are serious plans to mine asteroids for resources? Asteroids are rich in metals like gold, platinum, and even water, which is crucial for sustaining life in space. Mining these celestial rocks could provide the raw materials needed for building space habitats, as well as fuel for long journeys. The concept of using resources from space to support space exploration might sound like science fiction, but it's a logical step toward making space travel sustainable. As we look to the future, it's fascinating to think about how these once unreachable rocks might become stepping stones for our journey into the depths of the galaxy. Let me tell you about something truly remarkable: the idea of creating artificial habitats in space. These are massive, rotating structures designed to simulate Earth's gravity through centrifugal force. Picture this: living in a space colony, where lush gardens and flowing rivers encircle a central axis, providing an environment not unlike our own planet. Such habitats could be designed to house thousands of people, complete with homes, schools, and vibrant communities. In this way, the boundaries of what we consider home could expand beyond Earth, offering new perspectives on how we live and interact. It's a vision of the future, where humanity's resilience and creativity create new worlds floating among the stars. The more we learn about space and our capabilities, the more possibilities unfold. One area that holds tremendous potential is the advancement of robotics in space exploration. Robots can endure harsh environments and perform tasks that would be dangerous for humans. Imagine fleets of robotic explorers tirelessly mapping the surfaces of distant moons, drilling into their icy crusts to uncover the secrets hidden beneath. These robotic pioneers could prepare the way for human explorers, gathering data and resources to make our eventual journeys safer and more informed. The collaboration between human ingenuity and robotic precision paints a future where exploration knows no bounds. As we peer into the future, the idea of terraforming planets emerges as a topic of great interest and debate. Terraforming is the process of transforming a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like, potentially enabling humans to live there without life support systems. Mars, for instance, is often considered for terraforming due to its similarities with Earth. While the technology and resources needed to achieve this are still in development, the concept alone stimulates our imagination. If successful, we could one day walk freely on the Martian surface, under a sky that we have helped shape. It's a powerful reminder of humanity's potential to adapt and thrive, even in the most challenging environments. Did you know that astronomers are also exploring the concept of megastructures, such as Dyson spheres? This concept involves building a massive structure around a star to capture its energy on a grand scale. While purely theoretical at this point, a Dyson sphere could provide astronomical amounts of energy, supporting advanced civilizations far beyond our current capabilities. Imagine the engineering marvels required to construct such a structure and the limitless energy it could provide. This idea extends our vision of the future, where energy is abundant and civilizations harness the power of their stars to reach new heights. As we gently close this chapter of our journey, take a moment to reflect on the limitless potential of space exploration. Each idea, from light sails to Dyson spheres, offers a glimpse into a future filled with possibilities. These dreams, fueled by curiosity and innovation, remind us that while the universe may be vast, our capacity to explore, learn, and grow is just as boundless. As you drift into a peaceful slumber, let these visions of the future cradle you, inspiring dreams of the stars and the adventures that await. Until we meet again, dear explorer, may your dreams be filled with the infinite wonders of the cosmos. Good night. Welcome back, dear listener. As we continue our journey through the vast and mesmerizing tapestry of space, let's delve deeper into the larger meanings behind these cosmic wonders. Imagine the swirling colors of a nebula, a birthplace for stars, where chaos gradually gives rise to harmony. These cosmic nurseries are not just visually breathtaking, they are essential to the very fabric of the universe. Did you know that nebulae are composed of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases? It is within these vibrant regions that stars are born. The dense clouds of gas and dust collapse under their own gravitational pull, leading to the formation of protostars. Over millions of years, these protostars will gather enough mass to ignite nuclear fusion, transforming them into full-fledged stars. Picture this, from tiny particles floating in space to the blazing giants that illuminate the night sky. This process is a testament to the universe's ability to create order from chaos, a theme that resonates with the broader cycles of nature. Speaking of cycles, have you ever considered how interconnected everything is in the cosmos? The elements forged in the hearts of stars during their lifetimes are released back into space when they die, particularly in spectacular supernova explosions. These elements, such as carbon and oxygen, become part of the interstellar medium, the building blocks of new stars, planets, and eventually, life itself. This cosmic recycling process means that the atoms in your body were once part of ancient stars, a reminder of our deep connection to the universe. It is a profound thought. The next time you gaze up at the stars, here's something fascinating. The colors of nebulae can reveal a lot about their composition and the processes occurring within them. For instance, a nebula might glow red if it is rich in hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Oxygen, on the other hand, tends to emit a greenish-blue light. These colors are like a cosmic fingerprint, painting a picture of the nebula's chemical makeup and activity. It is as if the universe has its own palette, painting the heavens in a myriad of hues that tell the story of creation and transformation. Imagine now the vast stretches of time that these processes occupy. The life cycle of a star, from its birth in a nebula to its eventual decay, spans billions of years. In the grand scheme of things, our human lifespans are but fleeting moments. Yet, this realization need not be disheartening. Instead, it can provide a sense of serenity and perspective. We are part of a much larger narrative, one that has been unfolding for billions of years and will continue long after we are gone. Reflecting on cosmic time, consider the vast distances light travels across the universe. Light from the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, takes over 4 years to reach us, and light from the Andromeda galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, travels for over 2 million years before it reaches Earth. When you look up at the night sky, you are not only seeing stars as they are, you are witnessing how they were in the distant past. Each point of light is a glimpse into history, a cosmic memory traveling across time and space. Let me share something truly remarkable. The concept of cosmic inflation, a theory that suggests the universe underwent exponential expansion in the first tiny fraction of a second after the Big Bang. This rapid growth paved the way for the formation of galaxies and large-scale structures we see today. It is as if the universe took a deep breath and expanded, setting the stage for everything that would follow. This theory not only explains the distribution of galaxies, but also the uniformity we observe in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. The more you learn about these cosmic phenomena, the more amazing it becomes. Each discovery leads to new questions, fueling our curiosity and desire to understand the universe's mysteries. It is a reminder that science is not just about answers, but about the journey of inquiry and exploration. Speaking of exploration, let's ponder the idea of the multiverse, another fascinating angle to consider. The multiverse hypothesis suggests that our universe might be just one of many, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. If true, this would mean that the cosmos is even more vast and diverse than we could ever imagine. Can you picture countless universes, each with its own history, mysteries, and possibilities? It stretches the mind and challenges us to think beyond the confines of our familiar reality. In the grand tapestry of existence, these ideas are threads that weave together a picture of boundless wonder and potential. They inspire us to keep looking up, to keep asking questions, and to embrace the unknown with open hearts and minds. As we drift deeper into these contemplations, let the vastness of space fill you with a sense of peace and possibility. The universe, in all its complexity and beauty, is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and our place within this cosmic dance. As we gently close this chapter of our cosmic journey, let these reflections cradle you into a restful slumber. Imagine the stars, the nebulae, and the galaxies as they continue their silent dance across the night sky, painting a picture of harmony and change. Remember, dear listener, that you are a part of this universe, a unique and precious thread in the grand tapestry of existence. May your dreams be filled with the wonders of the cosmos, and may you awaken with a renewed sense of curiosity and awe. Until we continue our exploration, rest well and dream deeply, for the universe is vast and your journey has only just begun. Good night. Welcome back, dear listener. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space, let your mind wander gently to the corners of the universe that hold the deepest mysteries. These final wonders are the threads that weave the very fabric of our cosmic understanding. Let me share something intriguing with you. Did you know that the concept of dark matter and dark energy comprises most of the universe's mass energy content? It's quite fascinating to think about, because although we cannot see or touch dark matter directly, its gravitational effects are unmistakable. Imagine that all the stars, planets, and galaxies we can observe make up only a small fraction of the universe's total mass. The rest is composed of invisible forces that shape the cosmic landscape in profound ways. Picture this: as galaxies swirl in their elegant dance across the universe, they are held together by the unseen gravitational grip of dark matter. Without it, galaxies would not have the mass necessary to stay intact. This invisible scaffold supports the luminous structures we can see, forming a cosmic web that stretches across the universe. It paints a picture of a universe that is more intricate and interconnected than we could have ever envisioned. The more we study these unseen forces, the more we realize how little we truly know, inviting us to explore and wonder. This connects to something else fascinating: the mysterious phenomenon known as dark energy. Imagine the universe as a balloon, slowly inflating with time. This expansion is driven by dark energy, a force that is pushing galaxies apart at an accelerating rate. It was once believed that the universe's expansion would gradually decelerate due to the gravitational pull of its contents. However, Observations have shown that the opposite is true. The more we learn about dark energy, the more it challenges our understanding of the cosmos and the fundamental forces that govern it. Speaking of which, let's ponder the idea of gravitational waves, another captivating wonder of the universe. These ripples in the fabric of space-time are created by some of the most violent events in the cosmos. When massive objects like black holes collide, they send out waves of energy that travel across the universe, stretching and compressing space itself. Can you imagine the universe as a vast ocean, with gravitational waves as the gentle swells that traverse its surface? These waves carry with them stories from distant corners of the cosmos, offering a unique glimpse into events that occurred billions of years ago. Here's something fascinating to consider. These gravitational waves were first predicted by Albert Einstein in his theory of general relativity, yet they eluded direct detection until recently. The breakthrough came when scientists developed incredibly sensitive instruments capable of measuring these minuscule distortions in space-time. By capturing these faint echoes of cosmic events, we've opened a new window into the universe, allowing us to explore it in ways we never thought possible. The more we listen to these whispers from the cosmos, the more we deepen our understanding of the universe's hidden symphonies. Let me tell you something truly remarkable about the cosmic microwave background, often referred to as the afterglow of the Big Bang. This faint radiation fills the universe, providing a snapshot of the cosmos when it was just 380,000 years old. Imagine a baby picture of the universe, capturing its first moments after birth. This relic radiation is crucial in helping us understand the early universe's conditions and how it evolved into the complex tapestry of galaxies and stars we see today. When you think about it, studying the cosmic microwave background is like peering into a time machine, offering us the ability to trace the universe's history back to its origins. It reveals the seeds of cosmic structures, the tiny fluctuations in matter that eventually grew into galaxies and clusters. The more we analyze this ancient light, the more it reveals about the universe's infancy, providing clues to the forces that shaped its destiny. This reminds me of another aspect of the universe that fills us with awe, the sheer variety of celestial phenomena that exist. From the swirling maelstroms of gas and dust in nebulae to the quiet dance of binary star systems, each corner of the cosmos tells its own story. Take, for instance, the enigmatic pulsars, which are rapidly spinning neutron stars emitting beams of radiation. These cosmic lighthouses remind us of the diverse ways in which stars can end their lives, leaving behind remnants that continue to fascinate and perplex us. Imagine, if you will, the diverse palette of celestial phenomena as a cosmic gallery, each exhibit a testament to the universe's boundless creativity. With each discovery, we learn more about the complex interactions and processes that drive the cosmic cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. This exploration feeds our innate curiosity and inspires a deeper appreciation for the universe's artistry. Let me share one last thought with you as we draw this chapter to a gentle close. The universe, in all its vastness and mystery, is a reminder of our own capacity for wonder and discovery. Just as the stars continue their eternal dance across the night sky, we are invited to embark on our own journeys of exploration and understanding. With each question we ask and each answer we uncover, we add to the ever-evolving story of the cosmos and our place within it. As you drift off into a peaceful slumber, let these reflections on the universe's final wonders cradle your thoughts. Picture the cosmic dance of galaxies, the unseen forces of dark matter and energy, and the gentle whispers of gravitational waves. May your dreams be filled with the beauty and mystery of the cosmos, and may you awaken with a renewed sense of curiosity and awe. Until we continue our exploration, rest well and dream deeply, for the universe is vast, and your journey has only just begun. Good night. Welcome back, dear listener. As we gently glide toward the close of our tranquil journey through the cosmos, let's pause and reflect on the wonders we've uncovered together. Picture yourself floating among the stars, each one a brilliant beacon in the serene tapestry of the night sky. It's here, in this celestial sphere, that we've found a universe brimming with mysteries, waiting for curious minds like yours to ponder and appreciate. Did you know that stars, those twinkling points of light, are not mere distant suns but the architects of life as we know it? From the fiery furnaces of their cores, stars forge the elements that eventually make their way to planets like our own. It's quite remarkable because, when you think about it, we are all quite literally made of stardust. This poetic notion connects us to the grand cosmic narrative, reminding us that we are, in essence, children of the stars. Our exploration of starlight has illuminated the cycles of creation and destruction that define the universe, revealing a cosmic dance that spans billions of years. Here's something fascinating to consider. The galaxies we see, like immense cities strewn across the universe, are held together by the invisible threads of dark matter. This elusive substance, which doesn't emit or absorb light, is thought to make up most of the universe's mass. Can you imagine a universe where the vast majority of its makeup is something we have yet to fully understand? Yet, this mystery only deepens our appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the cosmos. As we gaze into the night sky, we're not just looking at individual stars or galaxies, but at the intricate web of existence itself. Speaking of the unseen, let us not forget the enigmatic presence of black holes, those regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. These cosmic enigmas challenge our understanding of physics and offer a glimpse into the most extreme environments imaginable. When you picture a black hole, imagine a silent guardian of the cosmic order, a keeper of secrets that beckons scientists and dreamers alike to unravel its mysteries. The more you learn about black holes, the more they transform from terrifying voids into fascinating realms of possibility. This reminds me of another incredible aspect of our universe, the fabric of space-time. This concept, introduced by Albert Einstein, reshaped our understanding of gravity and the cosmos itself. In the grand scheme of things, space-time is the stage upon which the universe plays out its symphony. Picture it as a vast, invisible quilt, with the planets and stars as embellishments that warp and shape its texture. This understanding allows us to appreciate how everything in the universe is interconnected, bound by the invisible threads of gravity. Let me share something truly remarkable. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system, has expanded our perspective of what is possible. Did you know that there are not just a few but thousands of these planets, each offering the tantalizing possibility of harboring life? Imagine a universe teeming with worlds, each with its own unique landscapes and potential for life. This search for exoplanets is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to humanity's boundless curiosity and our desire to understand our place in the universe. As we draw this chapter to a gentle close, consider the cosmic symphony of waves that permeates the universe. From the light waves that allow us to see the stars, to the gravitational waves that ripple through the fabric of space-time, these phenomena reveal the universe's secrets in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. The cosmic microwave background, a faint glow left over from the Big Bang, provides us with a glimpse into the universe's infancy. When you imagine these waves, think of them as the universe's whisper, a gentle reminder of the beauty and complexity that surround us. In the grand tapestry of space, every fact we've explored is a thread woven into a larger picture of understanding. Each discovery builds upon the last, creating a mosaic of knowledge that reflects the universe's vastness and our relentless pursuit of answers. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover, and this ongoing journey is what makes the study of space so endlessly fascinating. As you drift into a peaceful slumber, let these reflections cradle your thoughts. Picture the boundless galaxies, the gentle glow of distant stars, and the silent pull of gravity shaping the universe's dance. May your dreams be filled with the beauty and mystery of the cosmos, and may you awaken with a renewed sense of curiosity and awe. Remember, the universe is vast, and your journey of exploration and discovery has only just begun. Rest well, dear listener, and dream deeply. Good night. Welcome back, dear listener. As we prepare to embark on this final chapter, let us take a moment to reflect on the vast wonders of space that we have journeyed through together. The universe is a place of infinite mysteries and boundless beauty, a realm where the more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. Let me guide you through some final thoughts that will hopefully inspire a sense of peace and wonder as you drift off to sleep. Did you know that the universe is expanding? This means that galaxies are moving away from each other, like dots on the surface of an inflating balloon. This fascinating discovery, made by astronomer Edwin Hubble, has profound implications. The universe is not a static place. It is dynamic and ever-changing. Imagine the sky as a vast tapestry, each star a stitch weaving its way through time and space, slowly pulling away as the fabric expands. This reminds me of something equally intriguing, the concept of dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that is believed to be responsible for the universe's accelerated expansion. Though we cannot see it or touch it, dark energy accounts for approximately 70% of the universe. Picture this enigmatic force as the invisible wind pushing galaxies further apart, a gentle but relentless force that shapes the very structure of the cosmos. Speaking of forces, let us not forget gravity, the force that binds the universe together. While dark energy drives galaxies apart, gravity pulls celestial bodies together, crafting the orbits of planets around stars and the delicate dance of galaxies through space. When you consider gravity's role, it becomes clear how it influences not only the grand motions of the cosmos, but also the everyday lives we lead here on Earth. Imagine an intricate cosmic ballet, every move choreographed by the unseen hand of gravity. Here's something fascinating to ponder. While space may seem cold and empty, it is teeming with activity. From the flickering of faraway quasars to the gentle hum of the cosmic microwave background, space is alive with energy and movement. Quasars, those incredibly bright and distant objects, are powered by supermassive black holes that consume surrounding material. They shine with the energy of trillions of suns, reminding us of the immense power and complexity of the universe. Now, let me share a thought-provoking idea. As we gaze into the night sky, we are not only looking into space, but also back in time. Because light travels at a finite speed, when we look at distant stars, we are seeing them as they were in the past. The light from a star 100 light-years away shows us its state 100 years ago. This cosmic time travel allows us to witness the history of the universe, a tapestry woven with the light from countless stars. In the grand scheme of things, our place in the universe is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Earth is but a small blue dot in the vast ocean of space, yet it is the only home we have ever known. The search for life beyond our planet, the quest to find other worlds like our own, is a testament to our innate curiosity and our desire to understand our place in the cosmos. Imagine the excitement of discovering signs of life on an exoplanet, the thrill of knowing that we are not alone. When you think about it, the universe is not just a collection of stars and galaxies, but a living, breathing entity. It tells a story of creation and destruction, of cycles and rhythms that govern the dance of celestial bodies. The more we learn about this vast expanse, the more we appreciate its complexity and beauty. The universe inspires us to explore, to question, and to seek answers to the most profound questions of existence. As we draw this exploration to a peaceful close, consider the importance of wonder and curiosity in our lives. These qualities drive us to learn and grow, to seek understanding in a universe that is both vast and mysterious. Whether you are gazing at the night sky or contemplating the intricate workings of a distant galaxy, allow yourself to be filled with awe and appreciation for the wonders that surround us. May these reflections cradle your thoughts as you drift into a restful slumber. Picture the stars twinkling gently above, the galaxies swirling in their majestic dance, and the soft whispers of the cosmos echoing through the vastness of space. May your dreams be filled with the beauty and mystery of the universe, and may you awaken with a renewed sense of curiosity and wonder. Remember, the universe is vast, and our journey of exploration and discovery has only just begun. Rest well, dear listener, and dream deeply. Good night. As we conclude our celestial journey through the cosmos, let me welcome you once more to this final chapter of exploration and discovery. Our voyage has taken us from the grandiose beginnings of the universe to the delicate whispers of interstellar space, and as we come full circle, let's reflect on the awe-inspiring wonders we've encountered. Did you know that the universe is constantly expanding, stretching the fabric of space-time itself? This grand expansion began with the Big Bang and continues even now, pulling galaxies farther apart. Imagine for a moment standing at the edge of everything, watching galaxies drift like dandelion seeds on a gentle breeze. This expansion is not just a matter of distance, but also of time, connecting us to the very origin of existence. The stars we see in the night sky are snapshots of the past, light that has traveled across eons to reach us. When you gaze upward, you are witnessing history illuminated by starlight. Speaking of history, let's consider the stars themselves. These celestial bodies are not only sources of light and warmth, but also the cosmic forges where elements are born. In their fiery cores, stars create the building blocks of life, birthing elements like carbon and oxygen through nuclear fusion. When they reach the ends of their lives, stars release these elements into the cosmos, seeding future generations of stars and planets. It's remarkable to think that the atoms in your body were once part of a star, a reminder of the deep connection we share with the universe itself. Here's something fascinating. The music of the cosmos is played not just in light, but also in waves. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time created by cataclysmic events like merging black holes, travel across the universe, carrying stories of cosmic drama. These waves are incredibly faint, yet they tell us about the hidden workings of the cosmos, offering a glimpse into phenomena that are otherwise invisible. Imagine these waves as gentle vibrations passing through the fabric of the universe, a silent symphony that reveals the interconnectedness of all things. As we reflect on the vastness of space, consider the countless exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Each one is a world of possibilities, harboring the potential for life. The search for these distant worlds, some of which may resemble our own Earth, is an exploration filled with hope and wonder. Every new discovery invites us to ponder the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The prospect of finding life beyond our planet is both humbling and exhilarating, reminding us of the boundless curiosity that drives human exploration. In the grand scheme of things, space is not just a void, but a canvas painted with the strokes of cosmic events and celestial wonders. The nebulae, with their vibrant colors and intricate shapes, are the nurseries of stars. The galaxies, vast collections of stars and planets, dance in a cosmic ballet, moving gracefully through the universe. and the black holes, mysterious and powerful, challenge our understanding of physics with their enigmatic nature. As we draw this exploration to a peaceful close, let these reflections cradle your thoughts as you drift into a restful slumber. Picture the stars twinkling gently above, the galaxies swirling in their majestic dance, and the soft whispers of the cosmos echoing through the vastness of space. May your dreams be filled with the beauty and mystery of the universe, and may you awaken with a renewed sense of curiosity and wonder.